The last long form video that I uploaded on this channel was 8 months ago. Back then I was sitting in my PG room जो मैंने 6-7 महीने पहले छोड़ दिया है, and I remember saying something in that video very casually. अभी थोड़ा confusion है, but next 2-3 महीने में बहुत अच्छे से grind करूँगा and the placements would be the best. And I genuinely believed that, but it didn't happen. क्योंकि उसके बाद जो हुआ, it was not preparation, it was not strategy, it was real life at a level I had never experienced before. This is not a random placement tips series. This is placed or broken, the story of everything that went right, everything that went downhill, and moments when I genuinely felt to quit it all. You are watching episode 1, The Context, and let me show you what it was like before the chaos began. It's May. मेरा 6th semester just अभी खत्म हुआ था and since exams were done and I was sitting alone late at night with multiple tabs open. Code forces, a DSA sheet, a half-built project repo, and a random Notion page titled Placement Plan. And I kept switching between them. इसलिए नहीं कि मैं बहुत प्रोडक्टिव फील कर रहा था, बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली डिडंट नो वेयर टू स्टे, विच आई विल टॉक अबाउट इन अ मिनट. Companies usually start coming around August. Maybe 3 to 4 companies come in July, but mainly August. So on paper, I had time. But the thing is, time only helps when you know what you are moving towards. And that's when this question started forming in my head. What am I even preparing for? Because the funny thing is, till that point of time, I had not decided on a single role. Role? What role? What's the big deal? Let's now break this down honestly. Before we begin, थोड़ा सा context देना जरूरी है कि हमारे यहाँ पे 3 main options होते हैं in placements: tech companies, non-tech companies, and core companies. Non-tech includes companies like finance, management, analysts, consulting, and कई सारे top engineering colleges में including DTU, these companies to visit. Now, non-tech felt lighter. I remember thinking that 2 to 3 weeks max and I'll be done with it. SQL, case study, guesstimates. I was also running this YouTube channel, so I had some exposure there. I had did a few internships since my first year, so profile-wise, non-tech was strong. Whenever I thought about non-tech, my shoulders relaxed a little. But I didn't stop there. Now tech is a different beast. I had been preparing for it since 4th semester. DSA, competitive programming. By then, I was a specialist at code forces. On paper, my resume looked solid. But in reality, I had to revise my entire DSA sheet, build 2 proper projects, manage a remote internship, and somehow learn DBMS, DSA, OOPS, etc. मुझे याद है मैं एक DBMS की वीडियो देख रहा था, मुश्किल से 5 मिनट देखी होगी, and then I switched to a lead code question क्योंकि that felt more important. And lead code question ढंग से हो नहीं रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा non-tech के case study guesstimates कर लेता हूँ. Non-tech के case study guesstimates कर रहा था तो some other thing पे shift हो गया. The point was my attention was divided. Core. Around the same time, another option appeared in the picture. Companies that specifically come for electronics and electrical students. उस टाइम पे यार मैंने अपनी CGPA 7.9 से बढ़ाकर 8.5 कर ली थी aggregate, which meant I scored 9.2 plus CGPA in my 5th and 6th semester with max credits. And although this was very good, but it opened another confusion. Seniors बताने लग गए यार, core companies भी try कर सकता है तू. And I remember nodding my head, but thinking कि मैं क्या करूँ? Core companies were good, but they were very limited. And deep inside, I knew that I would not enjoy doing core. But at that moment, I was not optimizing for enjoyment. I was optimizing for safety. I was optimizing for a name. I was optimizing for a number on that offer letter. My day started looking like this. I would get up in the morning, open the laptop, 2-3 hours core, 5 to 6 hours tech, different notebooks, different stories, different versions of myself. I would keep checking the time. I would be rereading the same paragraph. I would be solving the same question from an hour, and I realized I was not being productive. Not because I was lazy, but because spending an hour on one option meant closing some other option. I told people I was keeping my options open, but in reality, that was not flexibility, that was fear. Fear of choosing the wrong option, fear of wasting everything that I had done to reach that point. But on paper, everything looked fine. Options were open, prep was happening, CGPA was decent. But that one question refused to leave. Am I actually doing this right? Tech favored CSE guys, core companies were very limited, and non-tech honestly felt like an adjustment. मैंने यार आसपास लोगों को देखा. It seemed like everyone has it figured out, except myself. I was trying to do everything and fully committing to nothing. At that point, I genuinely believed that preparation was maybe the hardest part of placements. Stressful, yes. Competitive, yes. But fair. But what happened after the days that followed 18th July, I couldn't have imagined it even in my wildest dreams.